Hi all. In this session, we are going to see how we can install and set up the Gradle for Windows 10. Gradle is another popular build tool which is similar to Apache Maven and SBT. Let's start our installation process. Before installation of Gradle, just make sure that you have installed Java as well. For checking that, just go in here. Just type that Java hyphen version. Yeah, now we have installed Java. So just now go to Gradle website. Since we are using Windows 10 operating system, just I'm downloading this binary file. I already downloaded this binary file, so I will be skipping this downloading process. So once you downloaded the binary zip file, just extract that also. So I have downloaded here, then I have extracted here this file as well. So once you go here, so inside this all your binary file, everything will be there. Once this is done, we need to set up the environment variable for Gradle. For that, just go to your system environment variable, edit, and in advanced tab there is environment variable is there. So just go here. You need to make the one more new entry here, that is Gradle underscore. The value will be your root directory of your Gradle folder. So I have kept here. So just I will copy here and paste it here. Just give OK, then give OK. As well as we need to make the changes in path also. Just go to path, just add it here slash Gradle home, sorry, home percentage slash bin. Just give OK. Yeah, now we have set up this Gradle. For checking this, just go to again command prompt, or you can just close it. Sometime it won't show the version. And now again open this. Now enter Gradle hyphen version. Yeah, now it is I think installed. So it is taking some time. Yeah. Now we have installed Gradle. So this is the Gradle version 6.3 and all supporting Kotlin, Groovy, all the supporting is showing here. Thank you very much.